Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to give WhatsApp access to your contacts. The first thing you want to do is open the WhatsApp mobile application. Let's say for instance, the numbers on your phone list are not displaying names, and if you try to start a new message, your contacts aren't showing on WhatsApp. That could be because you haven't given WhatsApp access to your contact. Normally, the first time you're using WhatsApp, you tap on the message icon to begin a new message. You're going to see this window that will ask you to give WhatsApp access. So let's say you can't find that, go to your phone settings, and you can do that by drawing down on the notification tab from the right, and you see the settings icon. Tap on settings and then scroll all the way till you find apps. Tap on apps and you're going to see manage apps. Tap on manage apps and this will load all the apps on your phone. Find WhatsApp and tap on WhatsApp, and this will bring you to WhatsApp info. Well, the easiest way to do this, you can simply just search for WhatsApp, hold it down, and you see app info. Tap on this and it will bring you back to this page. Once on this page, you're going to see app permissions. Tap on app permissions, and under app permission, you're going to see all the features that you have allowed WhatsApp have access to, and those ones that you haven't given WhatsApp access to. So if you're not seeing your contact, it's because you haven't given WhatsApp access to your contact. Now tap on contact and then tap on allow. With that, you have successfully given WhatsApp access to your contact. You can go back to WhatsApp and then tap on the message button. In the top right corner, you're going to see these three dots for more options. Tap on it and tap on refresh. This will refresh your WhatsApp contact. You can also do the same when you add a new WhatsApp contact if the contact isn't showing. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to give WhatsApp access to your contact, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.